Get into the 2024 Land Rover Defender. Be eager for the next adventure in this iconic Land Rover Defender, the premium go-anywhere vehicle that's purposeful, durable, immensely capable, and indulges you with luxurious, modern, utilitarian chic comforts and conveniences. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, touchscreen infotainment system, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, moonroof, heated mirrors. Explore your world boldly and beautifully in this distinctive Land Rover Defender. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.